Hello guys, welcome to episode 10 of Kids Kitchen. I can't believe we've actually come this far with this channel. So today we'll be making quite an easy and quick recipe. So it'll be quite a quick video. We'll be making a mug cake, vanilla mug cake. We'll be using this big mug and measuring spoons and a fork. So we will be needing 4 tablespoons of flour, a 1/4 tablespoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons sugar, a 1/4 teaspoon liquid or powder vanilla, 3 tablespoons melted butter. We melted ours ahead of time, and 3 tablespoons milk. Okay, so first we'll be adding more also our dry ingredients. We'll be adding our flour, baking powder and sugar. So we'll be measuring all those into the mug and then we'll mix it with the fork. Okay, so we've measured everything in here and now we'll be mixing it with a fork until we're well combined. Now we'll be putting our wet ingredients, which is our vanilla, melted butter and milk. Okay guys, so we've added all our wet ingredients off camera. Now we'll be mixing until well combined. Okay, so it's supposed to form a batter like this. Now we'll be putting it in the microwave for 2 minutes. And then we'll be back here to top it up and taste. Hello guys, so we put it in the microwave for 2 minutes and look what has turned out of our beautiful butter. So now we're going to top it off. You can top it off with sprinkles, even you can mix sprinkles into your butter if you want to. Normally, as this is my second try making this, so I'll just top it up with some icing sugar, a generous amount of icing sugar, and then we will have a series of taste testers to help you taste this. Okay guys, now we have microwaved our mug cake and it is time to taste test it, and my cameraman as well as my taste tester here will be tasting with me this mug cake. Is it good? Yeah. Okay guys, please subscribe, leave a like on the video, and if you can contact me, tell me what you'd like me to make next. Bye!